Hello. Today I'll show you how to fix the no Wi-Fi issue after a Windows update in Windows 11. Step 1, reset DNS and Winsock via command prompt. Open the search menu, type CMD. Then right-click on command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by user account control, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. You'll see a message confirming that the DNS cache was flushed. Next, type the following and press Enter. You'll see a message saying Winsock has been reset. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Step 2, perform a network reset via settings. Open the search menu, type settings, and open the settings app. Go to Network and Internet on the left panel. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, select Network Reset. Click Reset now to reset all network adapters and settings to default. Select Yes when prompted, then restart your computer. After the restart, try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. You should now be able to connect normally. That's it. This method should fix Wi-Fi issues after a Windows update. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you out. See you in the next tutorial.